Bonjour et bienvenue en francophile. Je m'appelle Shamika et je suis enseignante de français. Today we are learning les prépositions de lieu, means the prepositions of place. Prepositions of place are used to provide additional information about the location of a noun or pronoun in relation to other objects or places. These prepositions help to convey a clear picture of where something is and how it relates to its surroundings. And for this we will need the verb être. Être means to be. Let's quickly revise the conjugation of être. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. Ils sont, they are masculine. Elles sont, they are feminine. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est. Nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. To make it interesting, we are going to learn it with our favorite cartoon characters, Tom and Jerry. Let's start. In this image, we can see Jerry is on the Tom. So, the preposition we are using here is on. So, in French, it is sur. So, Jerry is on Tom. Jerry est sur Tom. Here, Jerry is in Tom. Well, actually, it's in Tom's mouth. The preposition we are using is in. Jerry est dans Tom. Jerry est dans Tom. Dans is in. Jerry is behind Tom. So, for behind, the word is derrière. So, Jerry est derrière Tom. Jerry est derrière Tom. In this picture, Jerry is between two Toms. So for between, the word is entre. Entre. So Jerry est entre deux Toms. Jerry est entre deux Toms. Jerry is between two Toms. Here, Jerry is in front of Tom. So the preposition is in front of. In French, it is devant. Devant. So, Jerry est devant Tom. Jerry est devant Tom. And in this image, Jerry is under Tom. The preposition is under. It is sous. Jerry est sous Tom. Jerry est sous Tom. Let's revise all the prepositions. Sur means on. Dans means in. Derrière means behind. Entre means between. Devant means in front of. And sous means under. Try to practice by incorporating this in your daily life. If you have any questions, you can always ask me in the comment section or you can DM me on Francophile's Instagram page. You will find all the links in the description box. I will see you in the next video. A bientôt!